Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to create a map of India. India is my country here. So I'll show you how to create a map of India inside Alteryx. Now to create that map, we need some geographical information like latitude and longitude. So let me show you the data. So I already have some data. That's the Indian cities latitude and longitude. Let me open the file. And here, these are all the cities, all the locations present in India and their latitude and longitude. And you can see the city name, latitude and longitude. Now, instead of city name, you can bring a country name, you can bring state name, any postal code, any pin code, anything, not a problem. So you can also bring your office latitude, longitude, the locations. That is also not a problem. So right now, what I'll do is I will bring this particular file and into Alteryx. You see, I'll just drag and drop that particular file, select sheet 1 and then click on OK button. Now, when I click on run button, you can see in the results window, I'll be getting 212 records, which has city name, latitude and longitude. Now, if I want to create a map of India, I first of all need to create a spatial point. You see, I have the create points option inside spatial tab. Drag and drop into the canvas, and here automatically, if you see inside latitude, the latitude option is selected. Inside longitude, longitude option is selected here. So right now my job is to click on run button. When I click on run button, a separate object is created. That's a spatial object here. Now that's a centroid. If you go to metadata, you can see the data type of centroid is spatial object. Okay, spatial object here. Now I can come back to data. Now in order to visualize this, I need a browse tool. So in the in and out tab, I can drag and drop this browse tool. But the other method is to bring the browse tool. I can right click on the tool, which is spatial tab, and I can click on add browser after. So here comes the browser. When I click on run button, and you can see on the left hand side, I'll be getting a map of India. Now it's not properly visible. These are the locations in India. So what I can do, I can click on this drop down and I can select different type of map options. So if I select this option as most recent option, which is a light version of Alteryx, and you can see it is showing the other view here. If I click on drop down and I can select some other option, which is dark. So you can pick up this dark option. Again, I can click on drop down and I can pick up some, let's say, satellite option. These are the satellite, how it looks like from geographical. So for time being, I can just select the option as light. And now what happens is I can zoom in and zoom out. You can see I have zoom in option and I have zoom out option. Both the options are available. If I want to come back, I can just click on reset view and this view will be back over here. Next is if I also want to select some regions. For example, if I select this option and if I select this particular region, carefully observe this region information would be given in this row number 78. You see 78 row number. I can also highlight on this point and I can just copy the location, latitude and longitude. On the other hand, if I select something from here, you see if I keep on selecting the option, here on the map, it's very light, but you can see it is getting selected here. If I select row number 72, you can see this 72 latitude, longitude selected. That's what you call as Nanded city here. Now that's very, very simple option here. The other options are easy and we'll see those options one by one. So that's it. I hope you have understood how to create a map of India with the latitude, longitude of all the cities available in India. That's all for this video.